Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the harsh truth about losing weight. So let's get started. So as you guys know, I am a nutrition expert. I've been providing you guys all kinds of amazing, informative content here for free on YouTube for years. In today's video, I want to change the topic a little bit, and I want to talk about one really harsh truth that's going to be a tough pill for a lot of people to swallow when it comes to weight loss. Now, preface this, I'm not talking about those with genetic predispositions. I am not talking about those with illnesses. I am not talking about those with an extreme circumstance. I'm talking about an otherwise healthy person. Here's the reason why it's hard, guys. When you are seeking to lose weight, there needs to be a step of personal accountability involved. And I say this because I'm not talking about accountability to a coach. I'm not talking about accountability to anyone else. I'm talking about how sometimes it is easier to play the victim because we are the ones who actually got ourselves in this mess to begin with, than to own up to the fact that we have been lazy, that we've been careless, that we've made poor choices along the way. And now all of a sudden we want to lose weight and we want to feel sorry for ourselves and we want to pity ourselves. It would be easier for us to be the victim and talk about our struggle and why it's so hard and it's taking so long, when the reality is we are missing a really big key component, and that component is personal accountability. Now, when you play the victim, when you act like everything is happening to you, like you had no part in adding up the pounds over the years, when you had no role in choosing a sedentary lifestyle, when you had no role in just eating whatever, treating your body like complete and utter garbage, when you play that role of, well, it just happened and now here I am and poor me, feel sorry for me because I've been trying for 4 days and I haven't lost a pound. Guys, the way to take your power back is to own up to your own BS. Own it. You know what? I have been lazy. You know what? I have been mentally preoccupied. You know what? I've been going through some emotional stuff and I've been taking it out on food. Or you know what? I just have not been in the mood to work out. I've been making excuses and it's been easier to sit around and feel sorry for myself. And this is a really tough pill for a lot of people to swallow. Why? Because we always want to blame somebody else. It can never be our fault. It has to be, oh, well, you know, I didn't have enough money, or my job is so busy, or my kids, or, you know, my partner, or my significant other, or business is, you know, whatever it is your excuse as to why you aren't making good choices. It's your excuse, and that excuse, you use it so that way you don't have to face it. You use it because you don't want to be confronted with, you know, the fact that you're gonna have to do some hard work, the fact that it's gonna take a minute. And what I encourage you guys to do is to stop playing the victim. So you actually may be playing the victim and maybe getting into this victim mindset without even realizing it. So a couple signs that this may be you is maybe you are constantly blaming other people or other situations for why you are miserable. That's one. Another thing is you may have like the whole world is against me philosophy, where nothing can go right and the whole world is just orchestrating all of its forces to laser down and make your life miserable. Another thing that may be a sign that you are stuck in this mindset is that you're very cynical and pessimistic about everything. Another thing is you may feel powerless to change and control your circumstances. You may have a habit of blaming others, of accusing others, especially those who you love, when you are feeling down. You may believe that you're the only one who is dealing with this, and you think that you are so alone, when the reality is, guys, a lot of people struggle with weight loss. It is a long path. It doesn't happen quickly, but it is the sum of whatever life you chose to live over the last, it's not just the last few days or weeks, it is the last few months and years summed up being carried on your body. So whatever you've been doing over the last 5 to 10 years or so is what you're gonna be left with. And even when things do go right, let's say even you start on a plan, you do start to make some progress, and even when things are going right, you still find a reason to complain. So if this is you guys, I encourage you to take personal accountability, check yourself before you wreck yourself, and own up to where you are. Own it. Own where you are in the journey. Own your mistakes, because when you own your mistakes, when you own your BS, nothing can stop you except you. And there's so much freedom in that, and that is where you begin to take your power back. So I hope you guys are encouraged today. Comment below if this is something you have struggled with, and please give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.